Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. This is the first of a series of video tutorial that will touch upon the online submission of the continuous assessment of Master of Medicine Internal Medicine form or Borang Penilaian Berterusan Calon program. Now, most of you will perhaps use this on a mobile device on a tablet. So I'm going to show you how you fill up on a tablet. Each of you will have your individualized token, uh, which you use also for your attendance. For this demo, I will use one of a generated code with a hypothetical name and individual. All right, as you see, this is the email of the this candidate. And you don't have to do anything here because it's autofilled. All you have to do is to update the information in this section. You choose either year 1, SEM 1. How long have you been in the MMed program? Maximum 7 years. But you can be in the first year or the second year or third year. So let's say this is your first year and first SEM. What posting? Now, naturally, if you are in first year, you have been general internal medicine. Unless you are doing phase 2, then you will probably, select one of the subspecialty posting. So let's stick with general internal medicine. So when is your posting? Begins, let's say, to the early of the semester, and now it's in the middle of the semester. So who is your supervisor? There be a longer list here. You select which is appropriate for this demo. I only have one. All right. Then what kind of supervision? Is this an academic supervisor or field supervisor? There'll be more explanation on this later. You can refer to them, that guide. So let's say for academic supervisor, and you certify that all these are true. So that's all. And then you send in the form. So that's it. The supervisor has provided the ratings. The coordinator has reviewed. The head of department is also reviewed. And what happens to the student? Well, when the student opened his email, right, there's two. So you're talking this one. So when the student opens his email, he will receive this report. Download the report. All right. So let's see what the report says. Aha. So this is the report you are familiar of. Jangok Fantasia, supervisor. So these are all the ratings, right? And your pass, comment by your silver average candidate. All right. So this is your supervisor, but you also have the report sent in, then the comment by the coordinator, progress noted, and the comment by the head of department, noted for filing. So that's this is your coordinator, this is the email, it is the head of department, is the email, relevant emails over here. Okay, so you have downloaded this form report. So what do you do with it? Well, you are then going to open your portal, the Internal Medicine portal. Yeah, this one, Internal Medicine, USM MMed Internal Medicine. It should appear like this. And what do? Since this is an academic supervisor, click on the academic supervisor report, add submission. Right? You upload that file. This one. Open. You save in the same name. Okay, You just copy that name, 01/06/2022. All right, upload this file. So the file will be uploaded here, and you save the changes. Okay, that's all. Now, if let's say that report or it's a subspecialty report in phase 2, so you will fill into the relevant channel or infectious disease posting. So Dr. Alvi was the supervisor, and the Dr. Alvi has given you the report. He has come to you, so you are going to include the report and you save the changes. And on top of that, you are also to include your logbook. Remember your logbook. That's it. Finish. What if you did not receive a reply? That is very possible. Your request for assessment might have landed in your supervisor's spam box, or he has forgotten to fill in the report form and he need to be reminded. If you do face such a situation, let's say after 5 days, after a week, there is no reply, you can get in touch with Puan Wanis. She can help you to check. She can check and determine why is your request not progressing. In this example, your request is still waiting for a supervisor's review. There may be instances that you might receive emails such as this, which informed you that your request has been rejected and the reason as stated.